This is a Coleman Gold Bond 280 lantern. The only thing I've done is clean it up. I haven't taken it apart or anything. Oiled the pump leather, blew out the tank, and there was absolutely no rust in it. So what I'm going to do is pre-test this. Alright, the tip cleaner is down, so when I open the valve, I should get some fuel. At a quarter turn, you should just get a little bit of mist, which I'm not getting. Well, yeah, there is. Oh, it takes a while. There we go. It takes time for it to prime and pick up fuel. So you're getting the mist. That's just to start your lantern. That's like excellent. And then once it's burning hot, the generator gets hot, then you turn it all the way up. So what I'm going to do is shut this down. Oh. I'm going to turn it all the way open. And once you open it all the way up, what happens inside the quarter turn, the rod is still in the fuel air tube, allowing fuel in just a little bit. But when you lift it up, there's a spring inside that pushes it up and lets you get a steady stream of fuel. Wish I had a tripod or something, but okay, there's a quarter turn. Then we're going to open the rod all the way up. Then we get a steady stream. That is awesome. And I'm going to shut it down here. Whoa. Yeah. That's awesome. Well, it kind of means it's still getting a stream. The generator tip is not totally closing it off. So that's being rather picky. But this is a great way to pre-test. I know when I put the top back on here, this thing is going to burn extremely well. If I didn't have fuel, the fuel air tube, something's plugged, the generator's plugged, or the fuel air tube's plugged, or something's plugged. Anyway, I always do this to avoid all the soot and all the trouble. You put the top on, doesn't work, got to take it apart, figure it out. This is an absolute way to figure out if you're getting fuel flow or not. So we're going to light this baby up. I wanted to show all the Gold Bond lanterns that have an inspector's initial underneath them. Like I said, I've done nothing but just clean this up. I'd like to change that. I've got new old stock caps, but keeping this 100% original. It's gonna burn great.